What's this? What's that?
Oh, you want a banana?
You want one?
Yeah. What?
Is that really a pancake machine?
Yep.
How does it work?
There's like a little conveyor belt in there, and then it sprays the batter down.
Oh, get out.
Yeah, and there's two conveyor belts, one on top, one on bottom. They're both heated, and it cooks it as it goes through.
It's really cool. Luke, we're gonna get you a pancake too, bud.
Where's Mommy going?
This is so cool.
There's cereal on it. Cereal, some fruit and bananas. Alright? Yeah, let's go. Okay.
That's so awesome. Well, that's a pancake maker.